With locations worldwide, Gestamp is an international group dedicated to the design, development and manufacture of metal automotive components. Berry Recruitment has been supporting Gestamp in the supply of staff since 2015. I have learnt a lot at Gestamp and have been trained to do jobs I never thought possible or I didn't think I could achieve. I started as an operator on the lines loading robots and checking the quality of the parts. I was then trained as a welder and have recently been given the role of welding trainer. The Berry Recruitment staff were always helpful, and if I ever had an issue they would help solve it as soon as possible. I really enjoyed the responsibility that comes with the job, and my confidence has grown massively because of this. The in-depth training courses and the support from the team around me has enabled me to grow professionally as well as personally. I have now accepted a full-time contract with Gestamp as a lead operator in Plant 6, and I couldn't be happier.